Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint design slide in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till the end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and then you can customize it for your own purposes, for your own personal use. So let's start, but first be sure to like this video as well. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide, go to Insert tab and insert this diamond shape. You have to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, which is the shortcut key for duplicating a shape. And then duplicate them again and put them right here. And here you go. Select them and put them right here like this. And that's what you have to do. Let's remove the shape and put it on top. And here you go. Now select all of these. Group them by pressing Ctrl plus D and put them into the middle. Go to Union and unite them, and you have to give them a picture fill of a suitable image. So I'll use this image. Now go to crop options and then you have to adjust the size of the image. You are gonna use rectangle to cut the outer part, unwanted part that is out of the slide of this shape. And here you go. Next, go to form a background and then you're going to change the background's color if you want. But as you can see, I'll just use white color for now. Now increase the size of the text and you have to give it a bold font. Here you go. Next, insert your content text. Give it some line spacing and change its color if you want. Insert a straight line just below the title and insert a round corner rectangle to give the buttons effect to them. And so this is all for today in this video. And so as you can see, I have just completed our template. And so this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And as you can see, it is completely free to use for your own personal use. And please don't make the same video as mine because that will just make you go into copyright. By the way, you can just tell me about your opinion in the comments.